In this assessment, we're going to choose the bond that we would expect to vibrate at a higher wave number, or vibrate at a frequency that gives a higher wave number in the IR spectrum. Now, if we look, both of them are bonds between carbon and nitrogen, so this is not an issue with the reduced mass. Our two masses attached to the spring are identical. What's not the same is the spring. In this case, on the left side, we have a single bond. On the right side, we have a double bond. That double bond would correspond with a higher force constant of our spring, or our bond. And as a result, with a higher force constant, it would be more difficult to pull those apart. Those are going to vibrate at a higher frequency. So the carbon-nitrogen double bond vibrates at a higher frequency, shows up in the spectrum at a higher wave number.